Most 3D artists struggle with getting the most accurate 3-point lighting position for their model. Here is the most easy way to get your 3-point lighting for your model. First, you go to Edit. From Edit, you move down to Preference. From Preference to your add-on. And while you are in the add-on, you locate the Try Lighting option. As soon as you locate it, you enable it. When you enable it, you add it to your model. The process of adding it to your model is extremely easy. All what you need to do is you press Shift A. After you press Shift A, you move down to your light option. Under the light option, you will see Try Light Position or Try Point Light, whichever way it displays on your application. So as soon as you get that, it will automatically position the light for you in the most accurate 3-point position that you need for it to be effective on your model. And thereafter, all what you need to do is to adjust it to your own personal preference such that it will come out looking good. And if you like this demonstration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And feel free to join my WhatsApp community. I can't wait to hear from you.